My name is Yankush Kumar from class 8C and I read in RPVV Rajnivas Marg, Lud location number 1. Today I enact as a news reporter with you and I tell you about the tribals growth found in Sikkim. So in this video we will know main 3 points. First, different tribals group found in Sikkim. Second, main reason for their displacement from their native lands. And third, how these displacements affect their life. So let's begin. Different tribals groups found in Sikkim. There are 3 main tribes in Sikkim. First, Lepchas. The originally inhabitants in Sikkim are said to be Lepchas. Second, Bhutia, the peoples of Tibetan origin. And second, Nepalis. Nepalis appears on the Sikkim are seen much after the Lepchas and Bhutia. Sikkim is also a home to the majorities ethnic Nepalese peoples, included tribes such as Limbu, Kshetri, Mewar, Gurung, Sreshtas. Second point, main reason for their displacement from their native lands. As you all know, forest lands have been cleared to get timbers and to get land for agriculture and industries. And many Adivasis have also lived in these areas due to that are rich minerals and other natural processes. But these are taken away for mining and other large industrial projects and forced to leave these areas. More than 50% of persons displaced due to mines and mining projects, and also have many reasons for their displacement from their native lands, such as due to making of dams, due to making of wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, and to making of industries. And so these reasons for their displacement from their native lands. Third point and very most important points of this topic, how this displacement affect their life. Losing their lands and access to the forest means that tribals lost their main sources of livelihoods and food, having gradually lost access to their traditional homelands. Many Adivasis have migrated in cities in a search of work, where they are employments in a very low wages in the local industry or at a buildings in construction sites. They thus get enough cycles of poverty and deprivations.